Do you know how the accounting equation works?
Of any business is built on three key balance sheet components: assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. The accounting equation shows how these three essential elements are connected to one another.
All are right, Fletz. Assets represent the valuable resources a company controls.
Liabilities, on the other hand, represent the obligations the company must repay.
Watch this, everyone! I'm a corporate eagle soaring to new heights!
When assets are financed through debt, they are recorded as liabilities. And when assets are financed by issuing shares to investors, they appear in shareholders' equity.
High and in size. To know more, subscribe and stay tuned.